am in Bangkok for a video shoot. Normally, I take on commercial photography project, but sometimes client ask me to do video as well, so I put together a team and we're shooting a commercial for TikTok. Just want to show you some behind the scene and then show you how I spend my weekend in Bangkok. Right now, I'm in front of a restaurant called The Bridge. This is a very popular restaurant inside my area because a lot of influencers love to come here to take picture. And when I take you inside, you would understand why. So this restaurant had a library theme. It almost looked like an old school, like English type of scene. They also have different theme as well. So this one is a sky room. It is so beautiful. And then moving on to the next. This is the outdoor glass house area. Really pretty. Last but not least, we have the English tea party room. This room is very pretty. They actually drew me. Like, I didn't realize it until after I left the place that this is my outfit, this is my sunglasses, and I'm like, wow, this is so cute. The time is 5 p.m. I have arrived at a mall called the Commons in Thong Lo. So this place was opened in 2015 and it was instantly very popular because it's like a new concept. You know, because like mall in Thailand are very traditional. Usually they have like all the brand name, you know, and all the mall, not all the mall, sorry. Most of the mall are owned by like 2 or 3 groups and that's it. But this place looks like an independent mall and the concept is like bright, airy, open, fun and young. There are a bunch of restaurants here, some shops. It's like a place where, you know, you come with your friends and then you hang out. And it's very casual, very fun. So I've been here before in 2016 and I came back here last year, 2023. And I remember I like one ceviche place here. So I'm definitely gonna get ceviche today because I love ceviche and I'm craving ceviche. Anyway, I am gonna show you what the commons look like. So come with me. It is raining so hard right now, guys, and this is Bangkok, by the way. When it rains, it's super gloomy and it would rain like really hard for like maybe like 10-20 minutes and then it's gonna stop. But yeah, I don't like living in Bangkok because of this. Like, I don't like gloomy weather, so that's why I prefer to live near the beach. So as soon as you walk in, you're gonna see this open space. Like I said, it's like very open concept. Right here is like an area where you can grab food from like any store at the commons and then you can eat here with your friends, you can drink as well, which is really good, you know, because like you and your friends might not like the same thing. I mean, at least that's what happened between me and my friends. And here you can see the directory and you can see there are a bunch of variety of food here, Asian food, international food. Some area for family and kids, wellness area, the gym, and also like some nice restaurant like up there as well. This right here is a really popular restaurant slash cafe in Bangkok. They have other locations in Bangkok as well. And then when you walk over here, you could see this multi-layer open space. And here, again, you can sit with your friends, hang out. It's very casual. Like, it reminded me of like hanging out in someone's backyard. Except that in Bangkok, if you're gonna have a backyard like this, you're probably extremely rich. Like multi-millionaire because the real estate in Bangkok is not that cheap. Oh my god, guys, I just found out that the restaurant I like on Koh Tao has a location here, which makes total sense because if you look at the branding, the menu and everything, it's really reminded me of a Sweet Green or Tender Green in America. They have really good branding. The menu is like, you know, you get carb, you get protein, you get veggie, and the food is really good. I wish they had this in Koh Samui, to be honest. I would go there all the time. So one thing I like about Bangkok that I wish Koh Samui has is the option for like healthy food for people who care about fitness like this. So this brand is called Absolute Fit Food, and they also have a gym here. I never gone to that gym, but 7 years ago when I was living in Bangkok, I used to order food from this brand all the time. And I just think that like Koh Samui doesn't have as many people that care about fitness compared to Bangkok. I mean, yes, the foreigner in Koh Samui care about fitness, but not the local. Versus in Bangkok, a lot of local people, like local Thai people, they go to the gym, then of course they want to eat healthy. Because you know, Thai food, even though it's not exactly super unhealthy like American food, it has a lot of sugar and salt and sometimes MSG. So those are what you don't need if you know if you're trying to like eat clean, stay lean. I think right now the only thing you can hear is the sound of the rain. It's raining so heavily right now. So you probably can't hear me right now because it's raining so heavily. But I am on the 3rd floor. I mean, I'm on the way downstairs because I want to eat my ceviche. So we're finally on the ground floor, which is the floor where a bunch of food stalls are. Here you can find international cuisine, and they all look extremely amazing, to be honest with you. Yeah, really, whatever you like, you can find here. If I didn't have my mindset for ceviche, I would love to try this because you know I love lobster roll, and this lobster roll with like tom yum sound bomb. Like, I really want to try it, but today is my ceviche day. This is my favorite ceviche place at the Common. I've been here before, it's really good, but they actually make it even spicier than the ceviche in Miami or in Panama. I haven't been to Peru yet, so I'm not sure how it is in Peru. But the owner is Peruvian, so I can ask him to make it less spicy. Oh my god, finally I got my ceviche. You guys, I haven't had ceviche for a long time. Since I came back to Thailand, I guess the last time I had ceviche was when I came here last year. That's like so sad because I love ceviche. Actually, never mind. I had ceviche before on Koh Phangan about a month ago. But yeah, I love ceviche. My top 3 favorite cuisine are Thai, Italian or Japanese, and Peruvian. If you love shopping, you will love Bangkok because there are a lot of cheap clothes. Some of them have really high quality, some of them not, but we want some stuff that gonna last you for a few months or a year. I don't know, depending on how you wash these. You should definitely come shopping in Bangkok. This store is not exactly cheap, so I would say the quality is good. And the design is very, very modern. Okay, so I just got done with a beauty treatment called HIFU, which is like a focused infrared something for under the skin, for tightening the skin. I don't know the science behind it exactly, but it's a very popular treatment in Asia right now, and I can't really say the same for America. To be honest with you, it was like a surprise for me that after 7 years of not being in Thailand, coming back here, the thing I noticed the most is that like, I've seen the abundance of beauty clinic in Bangkok. Like there's so many beauty clinic pop up in Bangkok, and the popular treatment in Thailand is very, very different from the popular treatment in the States. So in Bangkok, a lot of people are doing stuff called HIFU, ultraformer, nasal fat injection, Sculptra, exosome. There's like a bunch of things. Like, you know, when people think that like Asian people just look younger by genetic, that might not be true. Asian people take a really good care of our skin, our appearance, and we actually spend a lot of money on it. Right now, I'm at the refinery clinic in Phetchaburi, Thong Lo to get a Botox, but not for my face. So I'm getting a Botox for my shoulder and back because I've been having chronic back pain. I've been getting massages for like 3-4 times a week, and of course it helped, but then it come back. So I'm looking for a more permanent solution for my chronic pain, and I know like Botox not gonna last very long, especially for someone who work out like me. So normally Botox lasts between 3 to 6 months, and I'm guessing because I work out it's only gonna last around 3 months. But if I can live 3 months without pain or with less pain, I think it's worth it to pay for it. And this place is so beautiful. The decoration is amazing. Their marketing, their branding is really, really good. But I found them on Google actually. I was Googling Botox for office syndrome, and this place came up and they have a promotion, so that's why I came here today. So yeah, let's see. I really hope that my pain would be less after this. I don't really think my pain will be completely gone because I've been living with a chronic pain since I was 18 years old. I know it's quite sad, but you know, you have to do pain management. Like sometimes you can't just get rid of pain, you just have to like learn how to live with it. And this is my way to learn how to live with it. So that's it for my weekend in Bangkok. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you guys back in Samui. Bye!